Hello everyone, I am Gopal Kharel, working as a full-timer account teacher in Oxford Secondary School, Butol. Today, we will learn how to prepare journal voucher properly using AGF number 203. This is a specimen of journal voucher which is prepared after the identification of any financial transaction in government office. The AGF number of journal voucher has been changed into AGF number 203 from the fiscal year 2076-77, which was previously prepared in the AGF number 10. Now, we will do a practical problem that will clarify the preparation of journal voucher. The following transactions were performed by District Administration Office, Rupandehi on Baisakh 5. Only one transaction is given there, that is of Baisakh 5. Issued a payment order to DTCO of Rs 20,000 for the payment of house rent to house owner Mr. Ramesh Thapa. His bank account number is 4300-670-1015 of Everest Bank Limited and his PAN number is 222-333-444. Required journal voucher. So with the help of given information, we have to prepare a journal voucher of District Administration Office, Rupandehi. Only one date is given, so of Baisakh 5. So here we have to write the name of that office, District Administration Office, Rupandehi. The District Treasury Controller Office provides office code number to each operating level. The office code number is written here. In this question, the office code number is not given, so no need to write the code number of office. And types of journal voucher. In types of journal voucher, we are going to prepare a journal voucher related with budget expenditure, so we have to do a tick in expenses. Now moving to date, because in question the date of transaction is Baisakh 5, only one date of transaction is given, so we have to write Baisakh 5 in date, Baisakh 5. And in main journal voucher number, only one transaction is given there, so we can write journal voucher 1 for that transaction. If there is a various transaction given in your question, you have to add +1 for each and every transaction in a chronological order. If there is a 2 transaction given, there should be journal voucher number 2 for next transaction. So moving to electronic transaction number, the electronic transaction number performed by DTCO is in the specific head is written here. The electronic transaction number is not given in question, so no need to write that. In serial number section, we have to write the serial number of transaction, that is number 1. Moving to particulars, in particulars we have to write the debit and credit transaction here in particulars column. DR BE house rent, DR budget expenditure house rent, because in question we have issued a payment order for house rent, so house rent is a budget expenditure. BE means budget expenditure, so DR BE house rent. CR Treasury Controller Office, Treasury single account. As per new system of a recording journal voucher, all the payments are made through District Treasury Controller Office, Treasury single account. So Treasury Controller Office, Treasury single account should be credited for every payment. Before, it was credited by the name of Nepal Rashtra Bank. Now moving to code or BH number, you have to write the BH number for house rent. As we all know that a specific code number is assigned for different head of expenditure incurred in the government office. So you have to write BH number here of house rent, that is 28142. Now activity program code number. The code number of the activity or program is written here, that is not given in question, so no need to write. And ledger folio number, LF number, and LF number we have to write the accounts, where the accounts has been posted, the page number of ledger should be written here. And in label Label, we have to write the label of government, that is central, province or local level. Source bearing organization, in source bearing organization we have to write the name of government of Nepal, government of Nepal. And in types, in this column, types of source, cash, subsidy or loan is written. Nothing is given in question, so we don't have to write anything. In payment method, whether it is cash or check, we have to write here. We have to write cash or check because no information is given related with check is given, so we can write cash. And in debit side of this column, we can write the debit amount, that is 20,000, and 20,000 in credit side. Total amount 20,000 debit, 20,000 credit. Same amount should be written in words also in this area. The amount in words 20,000 rupees only. After that we have to write a brief description of transaction, that is also known as narration. So we have to write narration here. Being issued a payment order to DTCO for the payment of house rent, and for payment purpose only we have to write the name of the person who has received the money. So name of the receiver is given in question, we can write that name. Mr. Ramesh Thapa has received the house rent amount, who is the owner of a house, and his bank account is also given there along with his PAN number. So we have to one by one have to make an entry of that in for payment purpose only area. So serial number 1, name of the receiver Mr. Ramesh Thapa, bank account number 4300-670-1015. So we can write that bank account number here, 4300-670-1015. PAN number is also given there, so we can write PAN number, that is 222-333-444, 222-333-444. Amount rupees 20,000 and rupees 20,000. Now signature and designation of the person preparing the voucher should be written here. Signature and designation of the person who preparing the voucher should be written here, and signature and designation of the person submitting the voucher should be written here, and signature and designation of the person approving the voucher should be written here. So prepared by Mr. ABC, date, yes, Mr. XYZ submitting that documents, and Mr. UVW, date Baisakh 5, Baisakh 5 and Baisakh 5. Position junior accountant, accountant, and office head. As per new amendment made by Government of Nepal, budget release amount should be equal to the amount of budget expenditure, and budget release should be made immediately for the every budget expenditure. So today we have only prepared a journal voucher for budget expenditure. In next class we will discuss about budget release journal voucher. Thank you very much for watching.